Good evening from Hollywood Studios.
Guys, we are out, work is over, and the sun is not down yet.
Yes, it's very beautiful out. So we wanted to start off the vlog today to talk about tomorrow, because this is posting tomorrow. It is not only Eve's birthday, our puppy dog, but it is also Lilith's birthday tomorrow.
Happy birthday, Lilith.
And we just wanted to give you a shout out and say happy birthday. She was super excited when she found out that she shared a birthday with Eve.
Ooh.
So we just wanted to say happy
down below and
birthday.
say happy birthday, Eve. She's 2 when you're watching this. And happy birthday, Lilith.
See what we mean? It's beautiful.
It's like 58. So right now it's like my favorite. I just hope it doesn't get too much cooler. But from what I was reading on the news, like we're doing like 1,000,000 times better than like most of the country the next 2 days.
So, we originally had a Tower of Terror Fast Pass. What?
Hold on just a second. Because, and I like, we have to like train Sarah because she's like inherently not found her way of like holding this camera without like a weird bounce. And I literally just saw it just now. But we're gonna work on it. Like you said that, I forgot like a week ago you said it.
Yeah. I don't know, it's just,
it's a different
I'm better
camera.
from behind the camera.
Yeah.
So anyways, what I was trying to say is that we had a Tower of Terror Fast Pass, but it went down at some point, so we got a multi-experience Fast Pass, so we get to go on Rollercoaster, which is actually what I wanted to go on all along.
But it looks like everybody else who has a Tower of Terror Fast Pass may have had the same idea as us, but stand by 70 minutes, so Fast Pass for even 20-30 minutes is much better than 70.
Yeah, and we haven't been on this in forever. Also, I wore zero makeup today.
And I love it.
It's one of those days.
Good. Wait, this is a single rider. Oh!
Tower of Terror's back.
Tower of Terror is back up and running. I wonder how the standby is.
Guys, I got in trouble.
Sarah got in trouble for trying to cover her face, her eyes.
I had my hand over my face like for the picture, and they're like, for your safety.
Keep your face uncovered at all times, and last time I got yelled at because I tried having the camera up at my face to go forward. But it's a good way to start at night at Studios.
Thanks.
What are you thanking me for? You made the Fast Pass. Thank you.
I made the Fast Pass that got canceled.
That let us get to that one.
Sure.
I always forget how absolutely gorgeous this park is at night, this area. But I also forgot that it's still the newest area of Disney World.
Yeah, and
because
it's
the rest
like
of the park,
Christmas all year round.
Right, but it's also because the rest of the park is so like slow, and we turn the corner, and there's people everywhere.
Another Fast Pass win.
Another Fast Pass win, as she just says. But this is one of our. Ooh, I always wanted Pizza Planet here to have this.
Oh, so yeah, that did not call.
Perfect. So come on in.
Thank you. So this is like. I don't know why this ride does not get enough. I feel like it doesn't get enough credit.
I know, like, right now, like, if you're, like, gonna do, like, a ride, maybe with kids here, I don't know if it's, like, across the board, but I feel like this is the ride to do. Like, the height restriction is super low, it's super fun, and you, like, always leave with a smile on your face. Like,
the music is great, the ride mechanism is cool,
yeah.
The motions are, like, thrilling but not scary.
Like, I don't know if I would, like, I'm almost to the point where I would say, like, this is my favorite ride in Studios.
Wow.
But again, like, I just, like, always leave, like, with, like, my face.
I think it's gotten overall.
I like the music, and I love Toy Story.
I think that's the reason why you could potentially say it's your favorite at Studios, because overall it's got all the package. Like, like Rock and Roller Coaster, nothing beats the blast off, but what about the rest?
Right, and to say, like, I love Rock and Roller Coaster, but it's a little bit, like, less accessible because, like, you're less likely, like, if you don't, like, have it planned super far, you might not get a Fast Pass. Like, I feel like we have the opportunity to go on this more, and so, like, now it's, like, become, like, synonymous of coming to Hollywood Studios.
Wow, look at this. This has been a commercial for Alien Saucer Spins by Sarah Brookhart.
I just know that it got like not everybody loved it as much as Slinky Dog.
Ooh. So the 2-for deal when me and Sarah come here by ourselves saves us. Because we're a party of 2, we got to skip like an extra like 10 people.
We're always like,
Alien Swirling Saucers is for those wishing to be chosen by the claw only.
The claws are master. The claw chooses who will go and who will stay. The claw!
Wait a minute, I just spotted something that I don't know if it's new or we just didn't see before.
What?
But I've never realized that when you leave that ride, the aliens go, oh, we are eternally dizzy.
ooh, look it right there.
That's what I was
Is that what
talking
you're
about.
saying?
Yeah. So we've been wondering lately, like in the original maps, it looked like you'd be able to leave Toy Story Land this way, either to go towards Galaxy's Edge or go that way. To go towards Galaxy's Edge, but we weren't sure because the way I was looking. This solidifies you'll be able to leave and come into the land this way. Saw the latest thing that said Galaxy's Edge. The first time I saw it said late fall 2019.
Ooh, that could be December 20th.
I don't think I have ever given this area enough respect for how beautiful it is at night. Oh my god, and Pizza Rizzo's is open. Oh, I would love Pizza Rizzo's right now. Wait a minute. How is Muppet's Vision closed, but Pizza Rizzo's is open? Oh, wait a minute. This sign right here says, the famous original Pizza Rizzo's is not currently serving today.
Open.
But I saw somebody going up the stairs and the lights are on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait.
Pizza?
Well, I saw a guest up on the 2nd floor and the lights are on, but it's closed.
It's totally closed.
I really want that pizza though.
I'm sorry.
I love that old
That's
circular pizza.
Good news.
The Christmas store.
Is
Other good news, we started watching It's a Wonderful Life today because we just needed it. You know, sometimes the woes and stresses of everyday life get to you and you need a bit of Christmas. And that's what today was. Whoa.
Wait.
The trials are not over.
Now you will learn the true power of the dark side. And I'd like a word with my students.
Stay back! Students, ready position, don't activate!
Yes, your anger will make you strong. Join me.
Never join you. We'll fight you! Students, activate!
So it didn't seem busy when we first got here, but it definitely is really busy. Sarah got a fast pass for Fantasmic, which is like you guys know I'm not really a for, but I'm learning.
We were swayed when we did it with the Earharts, and we were like front row center, and
It was
so we
great.
were like, yeah. I think it's just way busier.
And we got here
Because
30
that was
minutes.
like October, I think. Yeah,
Yeah,
that
it's
was
7:30 right now. The show's not for another half hour, and we're corralled in. And look at our spot. Literally a second from the left.
Good evening,
And
ladies
they're trying to tell us that from here all the way until like that section is fast pass. Then this to that blank spot is dining, and then that super packed section is standby. And look at all these people that are still trying to filter in. This are fast pass.
Enjoy Fantasmic.
It's insane.
Yeah. It's
But-
still a good spot.
Sarah was requesting higher up, so we're higher up today.
Welcome to Fantasmic. Tonight, our friend and host, Mickey Mouse, uses his vivid imagination to create magical imagery for all to enjoy. Dream a fantastic dream.
You may think you're so powerful! Well, this is my dream!
It's
that
cold.
was good.
It was so good. So since Sarah wanted to sit higher up, we were able to sit all the way in the edge of the row. Huge win on leaving because we were like 4 or 5 rows from the top. So the second that it ended, we like ducked out the second. Like we waited till it was over.
We were also on the end.
Yeah, we were on the edge, which is why we were able to get into the top of the bowl so fast. It was the fastest we've ever left Fantasmic. And now
Fireworks are in full swing and people are.
and now like people are like running to the exit, people are running to fireworks. It's a whole, this is definitely a fire hazard. But it was a great Fantasmic. Haven't seen that in a while and I loved it. I don't know where Sarah went. I don't, found her. I really didn't know where you were.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try and not be too bouncy.
Even while going on the stairs, ooh.
Ooh, I'm doing my marching band rolling heel.
I wish we were here like 40 minutes earlier because it's another one of those nights because it's Florida cold that nobody's here at Springs. So I'm
We
sure
can't even
could
go
like,
check your deli before the movie.
and we're getting to the movie like 10 minutes before it starts. So there's absolutely no wiggle room.
Guys, we just heard the funniest story from my mom. And her in the
It's not
snow
funny.
today.
But it's like it's comical, but it's not funny.
No, but she was laughing. She's already been laughing, but her 15-minute commute today took an hour and a half.
She got stuck
She got
like 8
stuck.
times.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm bouncing again. Goodbye.
Sarah's super pumped. She's been wanting to see this movie since we saw the credit or the previews for it months and months ago. I thought we missed our opportunity, but I think it stayed because it's up for Best Picture. We're trying to see all the Best Pictures before the Oscars.
We got a good time.
Yeah, we only have like 3 or 4 left to see,
Yeah,
and one's
on
on Netflix. Let's do it. Well, the positive side to having AMC A-List is it's like an insurance policy. You don't feel like you wasted money on a movie, but I'm not gonna get those 2 hours back in my life.
This is the thing. It was beautiful.
Okay, so yeah, on a movie level, because did you take any?
I think it's going to win because
I don't-
it's just one of those.
Oh.
It's just one of those movies that, like how Shape of Water last year was like.
Hold on. But did you take any film classes in college?
Yes. I just feel like it's one of those films that wins.
So I didn't go to school for art, but I did take a European movie history class. And Sarah took plenty of art classes, so like art-wise and like theatrically wise, like it was done very well. Set
The
was
typography
amazing.
was cool.
Typography was cool. The sets were cool. Costumes were cool.
It was very explicit.
Very explicit.
Very not what I expected.
No, yeah, not at all.
It was funny.
It was funny at times.
It's
But the
like
story just was like, and it ended like,
yeah, the ending I didn't like.
no. And like Sarah and I, we enjoy ourselves good happy endings, but we also enjoy like, I think we're okay with not happy endings as long as there's a resolution.
Right.
There was
that
like the
just
stupidest resolution ever.
But I think
So-
I asked Peter if it was based on a true story, and he said no way. And I googled it, and it said a lot of it is absurdly true.
I think it'll win some awards because it's up for a bunch of nominations. It's up for Best Picture, but it's not going to win Best Picture.
I hope it doesn't, but
It's not going to.
I wouldn't be surprised if it did.
It's not going to. We're home.
Trying to make myself not look like Miss Trunchbull.
The quote today is from Ernest Hemingway. The world breaks everyone, and afterwards many are strong at the broken places. Deep. But we have to go to bed because we have a full afternoon tomorrow after work of celebrating Eve's 2nd birthday. So put a comment down below and say happy birthday, Eve.
I got her when she was 4 months old.
And now she's 48.
Yeah.
No, 24. 24
She's
months.
48 years old.
24 months old.
And we were just talking about it. We probably wouldn't have gotten her had we had a baby right away. So
Everything happens for a reason.
There's good that comes out of it too.
It's good to be home.
Jinx!
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.